Hey everyone, what if creating a complete video felt simple, like giving a basic instruction? Imagine this, a full video with script, visuals, voiceover, music, and an editing done in 15 to 30 minutes. No complex prompts, no switching between tools. Sounds unrealistic. That is exactly what Framia Pro is built for. Let's look at how content creation usually works. You use one tool for images, another for videos, another for voice, and another for editing. Even after spending a lot of money, you are still fixing results again and again. It becomes a loop. Generate, regenerate, fix, repeat. And over time, it drains your time and creativity. Introducing Framia Pro. Now imagine doing all of that in one place. This is Framia Pro, an AI-powered creative system that turns a simple idea into a complete video. Everything is created together. Script visuals, voiceover music, and final video. No separate tools, no complicated workflow.
Nowhere left to run, Sparky. Too slow! Burn to ash! I'm not running!
Most AI tools and generate parts, but Framia Pro works like a team. You are not using tools. You are working with AI agents, AI director, AI designer, AI composer. They work together in the background. You do not need prompt skills. Just explain your idea in simple words, and the system handles everything. Start with a simple idea. For example, I want a short ad for a skincare product with a clean and luxury feel. That is enough. Step 2, choose an agent. You will see options like Shorts, Agent Movie, Agent Ad Agent Music, Video Agent. For this example, select Ad Agent. Step 3, upload product images, add features like hydration and glow. Select your target audience. That is it. Step 4, Full-SOP automation. Now the AI does everything. It writes the script, creates the storyboard, generates. As scenes, adds, voiceover, syncs music, applies, transitions. This step saves most of your time.
Aloe vera, pure hydration, non-stop care, your skin naturally brilliant.
Your gift of natural ingredients, gentle.
Step 7, export. Your video is ready, optimized for platforms. No extra editing needed. If your result is not perfect, you can explore ready-made projects. There is a cosmetic ad example made by the team. You can open it using the View Replay option and see how everything was created. Second use case. Now let's try another example. Music video agent, upload audio, add lyrics. Describe the vibe. And within minutes, you get a full music video.
Yeah. Street light on my shoulders. Go. Moving through the city slow. They don't say nothing, but they feel me in the room. Just like that, I'm just like that. Don't gotta say a word, go back. I'm just like that, I'm just like that. Don't gotta say a word, go back. I'm just like that. Gold chain, white kicks, steady pace. No, I'm just like that, I'm just like that. Don't gotta say a word, no back. It's just like that. This is just what it's like. What it's like. What it's like. It's just like that. I'm just like that.
Most tools generate pieces, you do the rest. Framia Pro handles everything, from idea to execution to final output. No prompt skills, no multiple tools, no repeated work. Instead of paying for many tools, you get everything in one place. You save time, you save money, you save effort. This is perfect for content creators, small businesses, freelancers, e-commerce sellers, social media managers, anyone who wants professional content without complexity. If you are tired of using multiple tools and want a faster way to create content, try Framia Pro. There is a special link in the description. You get 100 free credits when you sign up. That is enough to create multiple projects. Click the link, sign up, log in, and start creating your idea, their execution. Let's go.